Makirima ethari ngoyaya marohire thabari ya makiria ma kilomita 800 kuma Kakuma kaunti-ini ya Turukana guka gwetha thayo kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na maraikara kanitha-ini uyu kuria marakoma thi na namba yao irathie na mbere na kuongerereka amu no marathie na mbere na gwithara kuma kambi-ini ya Kakuma kuria maraikaraga thutha wao gutharikirwo ni ruriri rumwe rwa bururi wa Sudan ya muhuro.
From day 21, day 22, 23, nothing happened. Then on day 24, one of us was riding bicycle in village 2, Kalabi village 2, main market. He was hit with panga from his ATM. While people around there, he fall down before they hit him again. People went to rescue him, especially his friend. Then those Nuer who attacked him run away.
They came again and they attacked us badly. And many people were again injured, including myself. So it was really painful, and it was really something that was not anticipated, and it was really terrible. So we are now here expecting UNHCR and the government of Kenya to give us protection so that we live peacefully.
Guko kwina ciana, kwina atumia, kwina arume na ciana ici ni ibatie gukorwo cigithie thukuru, citirathie thukuru, irio maranjira gutire cia kuigana, cioro iria cie guku ni igiri tu na ndirona kwina andu makiria ya 2,700 magiuga matihaririirie gucoka kambi-ini iyo ya ethari a ngui.
Run the bush even right now today. Some people they just run outside, people they're not home, and then some children they run outside without their mothers. Even right now, I'm talking now. Some women of children, we don't know where they live, and some children they're here without mother, without father. In Kolobe also, some people are wasn't there in Kolobe town, Turkana land. They run there because there's no place. They just come here. But we cannot go back to Kolobe because Kolobe now our enemies there, so Sudanese, and also. The Dadaab, we cannot go back to the Dadaab. When we go back to the Dadaab, also these people they are here Nuer.
Anyiti itemi matiganite ari ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa guthaitira ethari ngui guku bururi-ini, ruhonge rwa Red Cross na angi makinyitanira guteithia andu aya. DCC wa Ruiru Julius Tor akiuga thirikari ni gubanga uria megukorwo magicoka kambi-ini ya Kakuma.
Tunataka kuhakikisha mahali wanakaa wako wazuri, wamekaa vizuri. We are mobilizing the resources so that they can be able to stay here with all the amenities which should be done. Sasa wamekimbilia upande hii na tunataka kusaidia ili wanaweza kuwa warudi kwao.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.